All right, so here's ChatGPT. Once you log in, you'll come to a dashboard like this, and you can ask it any kind of questions. You can ask it to look up information. It's super powerful. So what I do is I actually come here to Amazon to look for a product to sell. I'll come over here to all, and I'll look in new releases, bestsellers, movers, and shakers. But new releases are going to be new products that are now just on Amazon that are doing really well. So you can come in here and look for products that are very similar because there's a market around that. So let's find an example, like right here, piano keyboard stickers for beginners. So to me, that looks like a standard product. There's 3 people that are selling it that are doing really well. So this could be a good product. It has low review counts and everything. So I would then take this to ChatGPT and see if there's a different way that we can make our product a little bit different. So look at the title. It says keyboard note labels. You could type in how to make my keyboard note labels different than other sellers. And when you type it in, it's going to go out there and see if it can find information all about that. So right here, it says there's several ways you can make the keyboard notes labels stand out from those of other sellers. Use a unique design or a color scheme, use a different font, include additional information. Now, not all the time may all this content be relevant, so you just got to really dig through it and just see, what may apply. It's a lot of times it's just to find good ideas. So you use this to see how you can change your product a little bit to be a little bit different than the others, to be competitive, or it might be a new product like this that you just want to jump in and compete with the other guys. Money back guaranteed, yeah. Offer cutting, yeah. You should already be doing both those. Included different information. Okay, so this is actually a really good idea. So you could actually add additional content with your product. So not only are you going to give them the stickers that go on the keyboard for the notes, but you would also include a chord diagram and a finger placement guide so they know where to place their fingers. That's a great idea. This is a product for beginners and people who are learning how to play the piano. It's beginners, kids, or just beginners in general. So that's a really great idea. Now, what you can do is once you find that, you can then make your product a little bit different, reach out to manufacturers and see if they'd be able to do that.